Oh, you lost something.
Hey?
You lost something. I think it was the back pad from the thing.
Let me with you. With your phone.
No, it looked like the back pad. Just stop there. I'll pull up the side and see if that's what it was. Just lean foot. Yeah. So the screws are sticking out now. Hang on, I'll go back and get it.
And good morning. We are now gonna go and try out the new box that we put on the bike. And we've also got the Cenas now as well. So I've got the 10C Evo. Mark, what have you got?
10C Pro, I think.
10C Pro, and Lumi's got the 10S. So we're gonna try out all the communications and see what we can record. So go for a couple hours ride. This is Lumi's first big ride. So stay with us. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.
How's that? Hey?
And we'll see if Lumi can hang on for that long.
Well, that's why we got the back cover. Maybe we should put some Velcro on that back cover and Velcro her into it.
Yep.
How you going, Lumi? Can you hear us well?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you bored? Are you already? It's only been 2 minutes. What's wrong, Lumi? Huh?
Nothing.
Nothing. You're a bit bored. You want music?
Yeah.
Well, next time, read the instructions so you can set yourself up with music. You didn't wave, Lumi.
I saw him wave.
Yeah, you didn't wave.
You've got to wave back.
Looks like what Mini Dada has.
Can you go in there and have a look at the plane?
No, you can't, but there's a F111 over here.
Yeah, no, that's what I mean.
Yeah, me and Lumi came here after we went and saw the V8s with you.
Oh, okay.
Actually, it's the first Sunday of the month, isn't it? That means you can visit the base. They've got the museum here.
Oh, can we go there?
Well, it's a Sunday, so we need to go to...
Oh.
Yeah.
So we've arrived at Amberley Air Base. We've just done about 45 Ks. How do you feel on your first big ride? Huh?
Good.
Good?
My arm hurts.
Your arm hurts from what?
From hugging you.
Hugging. Oh, your arm hurts from all the love. So Amberley's got this F111 on display here. What's the nickname of this? Flying Pig, isn't it? I think it's the Flying Pig or Aardbag. I remember these things doing dump and burns at the Brisbane Air Show. I mean the Brisbane River Fire back in the day. Big airplane. I don't think there's any planes flying today. It's very quiet here. It's a lovely airplane. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Alright, on to our next destination. Ipswich and then Carroll Park.
Recording.
What did you say, Mark?
I wonder how often they fly planes out here. What have they got based out here?
They've got F-18s.
Yep.
They've got Globemasters.
Ah, okay.
They've got the KC-30 tankers.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
135s.
And the Chinook.
No, they don't have Chinooks here. And they've also got the that brand new Boeing drone that they built.
Yeah.
So
Where's the helicopter base?
helicopters in Oakey.
The caravan.
Oh, yeah, gee knows. Did we want to go all the way around and come back on the Mogul ferry? Go around that way?
Yeah, we go around this way and then we end up on the other side of the Brisbane River.
Oh, okay, but
And-
not the Mogul ferry.
Yeah.
Put away.
There you go, Lumi. Nice one. Good work.
Legend. It's the same as doing the honking things at the truck drivers.
Yeah.
Oh, you lost something.
Hey?
You lost something. I think it was the back part from the thing.
Lumi, where's your phone?
No, it looked like the back part. Just stop there. I'll pull up the side and see if that's what it was. I saw it fly up and I thought, oh, I know what that is.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah. I'll go get it.
What happened?
Well, this thing flew off the backrest. That's a bit dangerous.
Oh, we might put some silicone on it or something like that to stick it on as well.
Maybe Velcro.
Oh, actually, yeah, it's probably a better idea.
Oh, well, there we go. Feedback to Yamaha. Not a good padding.
Yeah, I'm surprised.
It would have been better if there were bolts, maybe.
Well, need something a bit better than self-tappers.